The wind is so bad, it's actually blowing all the water up from that ground. Look at this. Wow. Moving on. Here I am, guys, at the Derwent Dam, Friday day night. Today, trying to hike around a little bit, get out of the house. I've been stuck in the house for the last 3 days. Nice weather. Storm Eunice hit. Level warnings is yellow, amber, and down the south I think it's red. It's not really nice. I can't go anywhere this weekend, but at least you can get out. Just half an hour's drive away. A really nice hike. Hope you enjoy some of the views. Hopefully I'm going to manage to take the camera out. Oh, little ducks. Very nice. There we go. Little ducks in the puddle. Hello, okay. Rain picked up quite badly. It was like 10 minutes ago, and I'm feeling a little bit wet, just a little bit. It's not too bad. It's not as cold as I expected. It's quite a nice walk. It's not as windy down here. Well, I'm not risking going up the mountains. Not up the mountains, up the hills really. There's not really a mountains in the peaks, is there? So the wind is really bad, anywhere higher. I've been driving here from Sheffield, so oh my word, some of the wind gusts is Jesus, takes everything with it. A little bit of snow, a little bit of rain, got everything you need today. Just getting soaked through. My pockets are full of water. The jacket is definitely not waterproof at all. I might just pop in the shop and get something different, because this is absolutely atrocious. Yeah, but they've got water resistant trousers, as you can see. Not too bad, the cheaper ones, but don't feel to be wet underneath it, so that's a good deal. And hopefully when I come back home there won't be any leakages on my base layer. That's all I got, the base layer and them trousers are meant to be water resistant, but seems like we're getting a little bit wet. Quite nice to get out. I think I'm gonna head home. Wind is picking up again. It started snowing and raining and all sorts. Don't want to get stuck somewhere in the peaks and not be able to get back home just because of the road closures, flooded roads and everything. Really nice little walks around here. All the pathways around the forest, little water. My jacket's got soaked through, so I better get it going home. I think it's only 1 degree Celsius now. It's getting quite chilly. Mountain. It's way too windy. You should be able to see there. Might camp there next time. No, that was better. Although I haven't got a decent winter equipment, so it's quite complicated.